In this video, I'll detail how to see all system fonts on iPhone on iOS 18. So with the new iOS 18, you can easily have access to all system fonts on your iPhone, download them, and then change your iPhone font to your preferred system font on your device. So if I know this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to see all system fonts on your iPhone, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on General. Once you selected General, I want to scroll down, keep scrolling, and here locate fonts. Now you should see system fonts and my fonts. Now if you have any font downloaded and installed on your iPhone, you're going to have it here. Now if you're not using iOS 18, you will not see the system font. The system font is a new feature on the new iOS 18. Now to see all system fonts under General Fonts, click on System Fonts. Then here you have access to all the system fonts on your iPhone on iOS 18. So if you have this feature available, you can just go ahead, download any of the fonts you want to use by clicking on it to download it and set the font as your iPhone font. You can see that. Then click on it. Download another font by clicking on this. To download it, once downloaded, just click on it. And once you click on the font, you should be taken to where the font type is. Here you can see I have one typeface, regular, and that is it. So if you have other font downloaded here, go ahead and click on it. Then you can see we have the regular, italic, bold, and bold italic. That is it. So this is how you can easily see all system fonts on your iPhone on iOS 18. So if you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.